Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the GCP Error Reporting Slack integration issue. This problem usually happens when the Slack Webhook bot permission or authentication settings are incorrect or outdated. First, just go ahead and go to your Slack app settings. Go to api.slack.com and click on your app name. And from here, scroll down and go to OAuth and permissions. Here, scroll down until you see scopes, and make sure important scopes like write scope and read scope are enabled for the app. After that, just go ahead and scroll up and click on Reinstall to your Workspace to refresh the app permission and generate updated access credentials. And once the reinstall is complete, make sure your bot is invited to the correct channel where GCP alerts are supposed to be. And then replace any old webhook URL or outdated token inside your GCP integration settings. Finally, test the Slack notification again to confirm the integration is now working properly. And in most cases, the issue is fixed once the Slack credentials, permission, and channel access are updated correctly. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the GCP Error Reporting Slack issue by checking webhook settings, verifying app scope, reinstalling the app, inviting the bot to the channel, and updating old credentials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.